This video will demonstrate how to set up the AmP8XEB1 evaluation board. For further information about the board itself, its features, and the Xilinx Zinc UltraScale Plus FPGAs, please visit the AnDAPT website. Out of the box, the evaluation board is pre-programmed to meet the performance optimized SKU. This consists of 10 external rails displayed by the table on screen. To power the board, a 12-volt supply is required. Simply connect the supplies to the highlighted banana jacks. Ensure that your power source has enough current to supply the board. For first-time power-up, a 0.5 amp to 1 amp current is sufficient, though this may need to be increased for higher loads once you become familiar with the evaluation board. There is no need to connect the USB, as we will use the board's pre-programmed settings. After the board is powered up, the D795, 797, and 799 LEDs should light up. This indicates correct power-up and sequencing. Using a handheld multimeter, you can verify the voltages via the banana jacks highlighted on screen. Each jack has a label for easy identification, and they also allow for an electronic load to be attached for accuracy and transient measurements. For each rail, there are test points on the feedback loop and the switching node. This gives users the opportunity to perform measurements such as accuracy, transient, and monitoring the switching node's frequency and jitter, for example. The test point locations are highlighted on the schematics, which are included with the user guide, which is available on the AnDAPT website. The VCC int rail is specifically designed to provide up to 20.95 amps of load current. Therefore, an adapter has been added to the board to allow for connections to loads with fast transients and high current capabilities. Examples are equipment such as the load slammer. If you need to alter our board's supply rails, sequencing, or for example to disable a rail, then our AmP8XEB1 tool can assist here. AmP8XEB1 is an intuitive software tool, providing ready-to-use reference designs with optimum flexibility for users. For further information, please refer to our YouTube page, which introduces AmP8XEB1 and how to access our pre-existing reference designs as is, or to make any modifications, such as disabling rails. For further information about the Xilinx board, please visit the AnDAPT website. Here you will find the user guide for the AmP8XEB1 evaluation board. This goes through the board in more detail and includes extra information such as the schematics, layout, and the bill of materials used for the board.